Hello everyone, I am Yashvi, a student of 12 PCM of Career Point Gurukul, and today I'm going to give you the glimpse of 3-day Kota IIMUN conference, which held in our school, Career Point Gurukul. On the very first day, it was the opening ceremony, which was graced by the presence of Vice Chancellor of Career Point University, Mr. Sumer Singh, Academic Director of Career Point Universe, Mr. Shailendra Maheshwari, and our respected Principal Ma'am, Mr. Sheetal Saraf, along with the Director of IIMUN, Ms. Sanya Agrawal. On the second day, we had community conferences like for RLA, that is Rajasthan Legislative Assembly, ICJ, International Court of Justice, where Israel-Palestine war was discussed. Also, like South China Sea was discussed in UNSC, and we also had communities like CCC, where Ramayana was discussed. This was followed by a social event, which was a DJ night for all the delegates and participants. During day 2, students also enjoyed delicious lunch and high tea at Career Point Gurukul. We have with us our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sheetal Saraf, who has been guiding us through the journey of IIMUN from past few months. So let's know her journey and experience of IIMUN happening in our school.
Hi Yashvi, it's wonderful. It's wonderful to talk about IIMUN in Career Point Gurukul Kota. This Kota chapter is definitely a very different chapter because having our residential children involved in it, thoroughly involved from past 4 months, they have been dwelling upon it, they have been preparing themselves, talking with doing research over the different topics that they have been given. And today when I look upon and I talk with the children, totally satisfying experience where the children are feeling that they have invested their time, their energy, and they are into more positive talks. And I hope that this IIM chapter does not end over here. It carries forward, it takes them to a long walk in their life, adds value, and they also make a positive impact on the other students, those who have not participated. And may God bless them. May God give them the courage. May God give them the habit of imbibing those values and spreading the positivity all around them. So, Yashvi, I suppose your experience as well was good enough over here?
Yes, ma'am, the past 3 days was my best part of class 12th, I would say. One of the best memories at Gurukul. I learned many things. I learned to manage people around and work with many people, with the OC members, OG members, and other delegates as well.
So that was a wonderful experience. Thank you so much, Yashvi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We have with us Ms. Sanya Agrawal, ma'am, Director at IIMUN. So let's ask her about how was your experience conducting IIMUN with Career Point Gurukul?
My experience have been fabulous. A huge shout out to the teacher, especially Fareen ma'am, to principal ma'am and director sir for letting us do this. And the most important part is the school had been supporting in the mission of the organization, which is making sure that tomorrow's leaders learn something today, while also keeping in mind the Indian values and Indian cultures. So my experience overall had been really, really good. I have visited Kota twice just because of this. I look forward to doing more and more conferences with students of Kota with Career Point Gurukul School.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your presence. We are honored to have you.
We are honored to come to Kota with the institution like this. Thank you.
We have with us Ms. Fareen Naz, ma'am, who is school representative of IIMUN at Career Point Gurukul. She has worked with IIMUN team. So let's know how was her experience and how the things work.
Thank you, Yashvi, for this warm welcome. Actually, IIMUN is something that is India's international movement to unite nations. It's a youth-based organization that is working not in India but outside the world and uniting the world. And fortunately, Career Point Gurukul, our school at Kota, has hosted the event and has been hosting it so well this year. We have been in touch with the team since months, and finally the 3-day conference is taking place here, and it is very beneficial. as you know, it includes not only a one-sided development of a student, and basically we focus in Gurukul about the holistic development, the overall development. So IIMUN and Gurukul together is something that we can provide it best to the students.
So, ma'am, you told about holistic development. Can you elaborate it in brief? How?
It's like in IIMUN they have been conducting committee sessions. In these committee sessions, students are doing the research pre the conference and during the conference, and students are undergoing various debates. They're creating their own opinions, like there are committees, ICJ, International Court of Justice, Ramayana, that is the CCC, and there is UNSC where they are discussing the issues like Israel-Palestinian crisis. So this is all something that the youth should understand and the youth should carry forward, because they are the future of the generation. So that's how they are going to learn about all these things, because classroom study is cannot only provide them all the development. They need something outside that thing. So that is how it is good. And there are some recreational activities like socials, and there is an opening and closing ceremony where students are doing dance and music. So this is something that is involving all the development. So thank you. That is from my side.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for telling us the experience. We loved to have you here. We have with us Varun and Asmi, the students of our school who is selected as presiding officer at IIMUN conference. So let's know what's their experience as a judge at the conference.
So every MUN is different, and like IIMUN, you learn how to talk to others, how to debate, and how to do this. This is my committee itself, and I have learned from many different students from across Kota. So it's been a lot of, it's a good experience for myself, and not my first time chairing, but it's a different experience, you could say so.
So I would like to say that this is my first time in the EB, and I must say that this time has taught me a lot. And every MUN has a different story, different you get to meet new people, and you get to socialize. There is so much fun. There are debates. Sometimes you get heated up. So everything is always interesting. I think it's always a good part to say.
Thank you so much, Varun and Asmi, for giving your precious time. We have with us Adhyatma Jain, student of class 12 Commerce, OC member and volunteer at IIMUN. So let's know his 3-day journey at IIMUN conference.
Thank you for my introduction, Yashvi. I am Adhyatma, as she told you, and it's been since I am in this IIMUN, I've really enjoyed. And this is my first IIMUN, and I'm a volunteer and I'm a council member too. So I know a bit about all these things. But conducting this is totally different from what we have done. And now we have done so many things. We have meet our volunteers, and they are so cool. We have made reels. We have done so many works. We have made kits for delegates. And these things are really very enjoying. These 3 days are my best days of Gurukul. I have enjoyed really much.
Thank you, Adhyatma, for your experience. Now we have with us Priyani Walia, a Gurukulite who is representing as a politician in Lok Sabha committee. So let's know how is she feeling proposing different amendments at Lok Sabha.
The experience is actually very great. You learn a lot. You feel the weight that politicians have on their shoulders, representing their constituency and helping moving our country forward. This is a great weight if you think about it, but it is actually a very enlightening experience, and I have learned a lot from this.
Thank you so much, Priyani. Now we have with us Atharva Pant, who is a scholar of his class. He's participating as a delegate and he's in ICJ. So let's know his experience as a delegate or a participant.
Thank you so much. This is actually my first time that I have been participating in an IIMUN, and so far the experience has been fabulous. I have interacted with many students from many schools, and we have learned so much and we have made many memories. Students are getting the chance to represent personalities and countries So that has been a very new opportunity for me, and I'm enjoying it very much.
Thank you so much, Atharva. Moving on, we have Pia Verma with us. She is in CCC community, that is Crisis Community, where Ramayana is the discussion. So she's representing a character from Ramayana. So let's know her feeling representing a character from Ramayana, which most of us are reading from our childhood.
So it's my pleasure to play the character of Janak. He's the father of Sita. Basically, he had a bit role, but in this Ramayana, I felt a crucial role because it was my first experience, and being the first experience, it was quite interesting. The EBs are very good. At first, you are a bit afraid to speak, but when you keep speaking, it's quite interesting. We changed the whole Ramayana at our perspective, and it was amazing. My whole experience was great.
Thank you, Pia. The third day began with a yoga session where everyone refreshed their minds and soul with the yoga trainer. Then it was followed by the final community sessions, and then we had an ending ceremony, closing ceremony, where everyone was excited for it. Results were announced, everyone was awarded, and even volunteers were felicitated. Even our principal, Mrs. Sheetal Saraf ma'am, addressed the audience, and also the guest performer, Mr. Gaurav Oja, energized the environment with his soothing singing. It was really a wonderful 3-day journey. We all really enjoyed it. Hoping to have such sessions in future. Thank you.